What is up? I am quick video again. As always, this is an ongoing project, and I don't work on it every day. I took a pretty long break. I don't even think I did shit this weekend. Did I do? No, I don't think I did. Unless I uploaded, then that's all that I did. When was the last time that I uploaded? Yeah, 5 days ago. So yeah, since then I haven't done anything, just been taking crazy breaks because I'm tired, my body hurts, and I made an executive decision. I'm probably not going to weld in my reinforcement plates, although I could, and I'm sure they will hold. I've got a buddy who welds for a living, and actually he's in the description on every video. He's in there. It's Carl. Carl takes quarter panels, rips them off, and welds in replacements for a living. That's what he does. So if anyone can structurally weld well, it's going to be him. And for something that I want to last forever and just be able to make sure that this car is solid forever, there's times where you just gotta say, this is not my level of expertise and I should pay a professional to do it. So that's where I'm at. He will be here Saturday, fingers crossed, to weld in the rest of the reinforcements. There's about five left, and probably finish the one that I didn't finish. But everything else is ready to go. Once those are done and sealed, which he has the sealer for also, since like I said, he works with that primarily. Once that's done, then I will put the subframe on, start slowly putting other things on, diff and everything. So today is going to be about sealing things. Probably going to seal the diff today, but the main thing that I decided, since the car is down for so long and there's no rush in driving it because I have a daily, I'm addressing all the air leaks. So I went ahead and I cleaned out all the old fittings. All right, these are for the fronts, these are the rears, and I am using this True Blue pipe sealant. Read a lot of reviews about it. I saw it work on some big ass air compressors, and they were holding up a lot of pressure. Not that I hold a lot of pressure, but better safe than sorry, right? I was gonna do just the bags, and then I said, fuck it, I might as well. So I ripped everything out of the trunk, which sucked ass, by the way. A lot more than it should have, but it also gives me the chance to clean up everything in here and make things nicer. I did order new bulkheads. So previously I had these connections right here. Right, so that I can do my quick release. That way, if I ever need to replace a line, it's not the whole line, it's just a portion of the line, right? Well, I ordered a union that does not require me to put two fittings together, because putting two fittings together is just asking for leaks, basically. It's one thing that can fail, I'm not saying that this is gonna last forever. It could, which is great if it does. Awesome if it does. But if it doesn't, I can redo them. But if I just get the bulkheads for my quick release, or my quick replacement areas, then at that point that's just one less problem to fail, and they can just stay there forever. I don't have to fuck with them ever again. I don't have to worry about the thread sealant, none of that shit. Once it's done, it's done. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start removing some of these things, all these fittings, and start putting stuff back together. So time lapse while I do all this shit. I might need a new tank eventually, to be honest. It looks like whoever powder coated this powder coated the threads as well. Rookie mistake. And I think that's also causing leaks in my tank, which, by the way, I never mentioned. I have been having leaks in my tank. But if I don't drive it for like a week, I'll come back and it's at 0. And I have to rebuild pressure all over again. So that's what all this is for, is hoping to prevent any more leaks so I can just have a car that I can air out whenever I want, air up whenever I want, and just, have no issues. I want a low maintenance system, and I think this is part of doing that. It's all clean. You just gotta apply some of this stuff on it. And it's just like painting your girlfriend's toenails. You just gotta wipe it on. I don't know where the camera stopped recording, but basically I got the 2 rear bags sealed up. I got the water trap line sealed up. I got this line sealed up. This is for the like to drain the tank if I ever need to. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for here. Well, actually, I am going to redo the compressors, and I might as well redo these 2 ends as well. That way, I'm fully leak proof. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the front bags and get those fittings on for those. Okay, so all fittings are officially done. Compressor, everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on the diff. All I gotta do is take the rear cover, and I got to take off all this gasket that got left here. Yeah, very old, very shitty, but yeah, let me clean that off. I'll hit it with the wire wheel a little bit, hit the diff with the wire wheel a little bit, and then I'll lay the sealant, clean all that oil out, of course, and yeah, get it bolted back together. Be right back. Alright, so I know you guys are going to give me a lot of shit for this, but I don't care. I am using high temp RTV shit. Same stuff I used for the transmission on my old LS, and it held up just fine. And BMW no longer makes gaskets for these. Instead, they use their own little silicone bullshit anyway. So, I don't want to hear it because this should just work regardless, you know? That should be good to go. Obviously I'm gonna let it dry for a few days before I put oil in it, or fluid, whatever you call it. Ugh, it's time to move this big fucking bitch. Okay. Alright, so I'll let that sit and dry. But what's up?
Oh, I thought you were recording.
Damn.
Did you want one? Because I didn't even think to ask.
No, you didn't. That's cool. Look at this big ass fucking. Wow. Wow. Anyways, that's it for today. Got a lot done. Yes.
Do you just want that?
What? No, it's fine. You know that I'm like more of a smoker than a drinker, so. Anyways, yeah. I'll be back this weekend with more shit to get done. Until then, see you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Right on triple chrome, glad on them votes. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the streets, screwed up with my clique. Let them see how out they going up the blicks. Pray to God.